Today we will be making a smoked meat and kaku chowder. First, we fillet our kaku. Then we prep our celery, onions, potatoes, carrots, garlic, and smoked meat. Render the smoked meat and add in the garlic, parsley, carrots, onions, potatoes, and celery. Add in butter and flour to make a roux. Then add in your chicken stock, bring to a boil, and simmer until thick. Add in the kaku, close the lid, and turn off the heat. To finish, we have a jalapeno butter herbed corn, fresh kahuku corn, jalapeno, and herbs. Enjoy with a friend with your favorite glass of wine on the water's edge.